Sun, the source of universal energy, breeds gas, solar, air, electric, and wind energy. Today, Vanward breaks the energy limit and provides hot water products with different energy. Why choose heat pump? First, it's saving. Here, there is comparison data about the consumption. If to heat 200-liter water, do you know how much cost will be saved by using heat pump? Under the same condition, to heat 200-liter water from 15 to 55 degrees, if you use air source heat pump, the consumption cost is $0.2. If you use gas water heater, the consumption cost is $0.59. If you use electric water heater, the consumption cost is $0.86. Second, heat pump is easy to operate. There are three modes of heat pump. The first one is automatic mode. Setting temperature is from 28 Celsius degree to 75 Celsius degree. Heat pump mode will start first. Heat pump mode will switch to heating by heating element when temperature achieves 65 degree. Electric heating will keep going on until achieve setting temperature. Second, it's heat pump mode. Setting temperature is from 28 Celsius degree to 65 Celsius degree. Under this mode, only heat pump mode working. The third mode is electric heating. Setting temperature is from 28 Celsius degree to 65 Celsius degree. Heat the water with heating element only under this mode. And next, we will introduce the main function of heat pump. The first one is appointment heating function. There are up to 3 appointment periods, including start time and close time. The second, the heat pump includes 3 working modes as description above: automatic mode, heat pump mode, and electric mode. Third, fast heating. Electric heating and heat pump mode run at the same time until achieve setting temperature. Heating with maximum heating power output, only once after each trigger, run at current setting water temperature. Fourth, PV connection. If PV access relay collected, water temp locked to 65 Celsius degree. Heat pump will use electricity power from PV. If PV access relay disconnected, heat pump will be back to the original mode that used the municipal electric power. Fifth, sterilization. If water temperature haven't achieved 70 Celsius degree in a week, then it will start heating. Setting temperature is set as 70 Celsius degree. Running mode is locked as automatic mode. After sterilizing, it will return to original mode. Sixth, anti-frozen function. Under standby situation and low ambient temperature, if water tank temperature is less than 7 Celsius degree, heat pump mode working to achieve 30 Celsius degree. Seventh, error indication. With multiple protections, if water tank sensor error, electric heating failed. If other errors, heat pump stop running. Vanward DC series combat heat pump uses Panasonic GMCC compressor. The evaporator is made in Vanward factory. We can control the techniques of the evaporator well. Inner tank is one of the most important part of heat pump. The tank is made of enamel steel with ferro enamel powder and is produced with Vanward automatic production line. The procedures include automatic sanding, enamel, sintering, 100% triple inspection online, including welding leakage check, enamel leakage check, and enamel quality check. Vanward heat pump also can be with solar coil or without solar coil. Comply with different using requests. Vanward can provide with you different solutions for renewable energy purpose. If you want more product information, please feel free to contact with us. Please scan the code to get our contact details. Vanward, warm your life.